Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm your host, Sophia. Today I want to take you to a beautiful church in Fall River, Massachusetts. Fall River is about an hour's drive south of Boston in Bristol County on the Taunton River. Fall River was famous as a textile and fishing city. The old mills are still standing throughout the city today. Fall River is also famous for St. Anne's Church. This beautiful and spiritual church is over 100 years old but will be closed soon because of the cost needed to keep it going. Since they are doing the road work, I can't go near the front entrance. This is the side view of the church. Only the basement is left open to visitors. I love to come to this church once in a while. It's a very peaceful place to worship, but unfortunately, this is the last time I'm coming to this church. They have a statue for Saint Mother Teresa too. Now let's go home and make a quick and easy kids' favorite chicken fries. I'm using chicken tenderloins. They have no antibiotics or steroids added. Wash, pat dry and set them aside. Into that, add salt to taste, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of paprika, or you may use chili powder, adjust your taste, 1/8 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. For breading, I'm using 3 tablespoons of Italian style breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Mix it well and set it aside. In a small mixing bowl, crack open an egg. Add a teaspoon of water and beat it well. Take each tenderloin and give it a quick drench in the egg wash. Shake off any excess and put it in the breadcrumbs. Make them all and set them aside. In a small frying pan, add oil for frying over high heat. Once it's hot, add the chicken one at a time and reduce the heat to medium. Fry it for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Take them out and dry on a paper towel. French fries always goes well with this dish. Serve them with your favorite sauce. Hope you enjoy watching this show. Thanks for joining. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.